Offbeat Discoveries. Tonight we have a special treat for you.
That's right, we're celebrating Christmas and we're saying Merry Christmas from the Schaefer family and the Bull family. And we're actually going to check out a family tradition of the Schaefer family. It's been around for right at 50 years and they're celebrating their 50th anniversary.
Join us as we discover the Christmas house. If you're looking to treat your eyes to a plethora of Christmas lights with a small town flavor, I've discovered the perfect adventure for you. No, it's not a huge conglomerate that requires a lot of time and money. This is a simple adventure that provides a warm introduction to Christmas. Located at 360 Foster Road, Inman, South Carolina, you'll find the Christmas house. The home was built in 1884, but they began decorating for public viewing during Christmas of 1973. That makes this year of 2023 their 50th anniversary. Oh, pretty. So this is Christmas house.
Yeah, it's Christmas house.
It's been 50 years.
You can see they've got the happy 50th anniversary banner out there. It's just a family that decorates it up.
Oh, this is so gorgeous. You'll be able to visit come rain or shine, as the Christmas house is a drive-through only experience. It was raining on the night that I went, thus to protect my camera equipment, I had to video from deep inside the car and keep rolling the windows up and down. Even so, it was a ton of fun and a beautiful sight with over 130,000 lights. So pretty. I'm trying not to get my camera wet. It's gonna get wet. Oh.
They put a lot of work into it, I'll say that.
Yeah, the donations they pay for all this lighting. They put a little bit up every year, something a little different.
Oh, look, they've got a movie screen. Check it out.
Yeah, they play the story of the birth of Jesus on that screen.
That's like a big nativity set in there, and then they play the story of Jesus.
That's mainly the three wise men.
Oh, the three wise
Carrying
men. Oh, gotcha,
frankincense and
gotcha.
myrrh with their camels.
Oh, no way, they've got a carousel? It's a working carousel. Oh, ho, ho,
See, there's a
ho.
little train goes around the thing. See it?
Oh, look at that. That's just too awesome. I love it.
So you know what the wise men did for their regular job?
Mm-mm.
They were firemen.
Fireman.
Yeah, they came from afar.
From afar? Came from afar.
And here would be a more realistic nativity.
Oh, yeah. Check that one out.
Yeah. You know what kind of car they arrived in?
No.
It was a Honda.
Yeah?
They were all in one accord.
What you need?
I'm just going to get a picture of that mailbox where you can put your donations.
Okay, let me
in.
get my
Isn't
money
that
here.
cute?
And you can see, I mean, it's not huge popular. There's not all kinds of people coming through. You're
But
not
there
being
should
rushed.
be. It's so
Do you see the Ferris wheel
beautiful.
over there?
Oh, awesome, awesome. Dun, 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 dun. I don't think anybody wants to hear me. Oh, that is so pretty. I can't take it.
Oh, waterfall.
Oh, isn't that cool? Waterfall in front of the castle.
Goes across the front because they have the abominable snowman.
Yeah, they got that little Ferris wheel up there. It's got a little thing in it too.
Little seats.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the front of the castle. It's got a lion.
Oh. Misfit toys.
There's Hermie and Rudolph.
This is too darn cute.
Cornelius.
I love it. Well, y'all need to come and see Christmas House for sure.
Yep.
That's definitely worth it.
Oh yeah. Considering it's strictly by donation, very beneficial. You can see Santa Claus has a sleigh there with Rudolph leading it. They wave them around.
Oh, they want to see it. They're seeing it too.
They like the little snowman now.
Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. And that's the gingerbread house.
Oh, which one it is?
There's the peanuts.
Oh wow, look at all the peanut characters. Snoopy. Snoopy. Oh, and then they have big, beautiful mega trees.
So now you can't go to the right, you gotta go to the left.
Why? It says no left turn. Left turn only. Oh, poo.
Go to the left.
So you can't swing around and go again?
Yeah, you want to go again? We can go again. I'll go right. We'll go back in.
Okay.
You want to?
Yeah.
One more trip through.
Wow, the Christmas house was definitely worth the trip. I really suggest you go there. And you know the motto of this channel, really it's got to be free or cheap or we don't show it, so.
Yeah, so donations only. I mean, you don't have to give if you don't have it. They just want to see people go through it. If you do have to give, they like to keep their lights on.
That's right.
And it was beautiful. What do y'all think we should give this one?
Well, we all have thumbs, but that's kind of overdone. I say we give it 4 candles up.
Yeah.
There we go. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Offbeat Discoveries.
I don't want to say nothing. No. No.
Mary just want to say anything?
No, you say it all. You like talking, so you go
Let me
ahead.
just open it up.
And then you can say, yep, we're going to see the Christmas house, and it's their 50th anniversary.
All right,
Okay.
I'll try to do that, but I thought my job was to stand here and look pretty.
Oh, that'll work too. All right, I'll just cover it. You cover it.